This is the village of Eloki. It's 2 hours' drive west of the Tajik capital Dushanbe. Poverty here is widespread. There's electricity for just 5 hours a day. For most families, sons working in Russia are a vital source of income. But the collapse of the ruble means less money coming in. Mutabar shares her home with 3 generations of her family. Grandparents, children, grandchildren, 11 people in total. It's pretty crowded. They want to build a new house nearby, but money from a son in Moscow has dried up and work is on hold. The family have their meals in the grandparents' bedroom, the only one that's heated. Talk soon turns to the collapse of the ruble.
Dollar balans شده؟
ها دلار balans شده پولی روسی وای شده پس شده را کو بچه‌هایم باید خانه‌دار کردن در کو جدا کردن در کو ولی این مشکل تر شده.
Nearly 3,000 kilometres away, Moscow is a magnet for migrant workers from Central Asia. Among them, 24-year-old Sadi, Mutaba's eldest son. Sadi plies his trade at a market on the outskirts of the city. He's been here 4 years, but amid the economic downturn, people are spending less. And now every ruble he receives is worth less than it used to be.
تو 1 سال یا زیادتر که من جدا شما برای خودم وقتی که چی دلار خست من میتونم این کاری من تو 3 سال یا 3 سال زیادتر طول میکشد من نمیتونم.
After work, Sadi heads for the bank to check if the exchange rate has improved so he can send some money home. It's a regular journey which always ends in disappointment.
ما میخواستم خانه پر رو کنم به خاطر آمدم که خانه پر رو کنم آمدم که کورس خستگی تا 47 تا نزدیکی 50 من فکر خودم گشتم حاضر نمیدونم خانه رو کنم نکنم چون که موزی مهنت من 15,000 بود من میخواستم 400 دلار رو کنم آنان با خود را همین وقتا
For Sadi's family, this is bad news indeed. The ruble has continued plunging. With no money from Moscow, there's no hope of building the new house. Life is hard, and the family must scrape a living as best it can.